First, understand what ChatGPT is actually useful for in programming. It can help explain code, generate functions, fix bugs, write scripts, teach programming concepts, optimize logic, and assist with debugging. Now, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign into your account. The quality of the answer depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. Include the programming language, your goal, and any error messages when asking for help. One of the most common uses is generating code snippets quickly. You can ask ChatGPT to create functions, loops, APIs, automation scripts, or database queries. If your code isn't working, paste the error message and relevant code into ChatGPT. ChatGPT can often explain what caused the error and suggest possible fixes. ChatGPT is also useful for learning coding concepts in simpler language. You can ask about algorithms, variables, loops, APIs, databases, or object-oriented programming. You can ask ChatGPT to optimize or rewrite code more efficiently. Writing documentation becomes much faster with AI assistance. Many developers use ChatGPT to speed up project development and prototyping. You can combine ChatGPT with modern code editors and developer tools for a more efficient workflow. Never assume AI-generated code is perfect. Always test, review, and understand the code before using it in real projects. ChatGPT should help you learn coding, not completely replace problem-solving in practice. And yeah, that's how you use ChatGPT for coding assistance in 2026. Once you learn how to ask better programming questions, coding becomes faster, easier, and much less stressful.